Hey, what is up guys? This is Justin, Gaming and Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the AN Pro 2 mechanical keyboard. So as a normal keyboard has quite a bit more keys, this one only has 60% of the full keyboard layout. As you can see here, it doesn't have the numpad or the arrow keys or the FN layer, the row there. So I'm just gonna be unboxing it here, and I am going to be reviewing it in another video, so be sure to subscribe, and you will be able to check out what features this keyboard has. It is a wireless keyboard, and it is actually a great keyboard from the reviews I have seen so far, but I will test it out for you guys, and I will give you my feedback here. So let's see here. You just gotta undo it here, and it looks like you can just hit the mic there. Okay, let's see which way. This way. Okay, so it looks like that when you get it out there. I'm just gonna pull this whole thing out here. Okay, so in the box comes these keycap sets. Looks like we got some purple, yellow, pink, and like a cyan, turquoise, bluish color, and then green there. We get like 3, 4, so we get about 11 keys in total there. And then we also got this, looks like a keycap puller here. Looks like a nice one. Yeah, it looks pretty nice if you ask me. And then we got this red USB-C cable if you want to use wired, which if you're gaming, you probably do want to use wired with this keyboard. Or if you don't have Bluetooth on your computer, I'll show you how to set that up in my review. Okay, and looks like we have another pull tab here. Oh, never mind, just came right out. Okay, so it's in this foam wrap here. Oh, that is a nice looking keyboard. It is much smaller than my Razer Black Widow Elite. Even smaller than my ROG Claymore Core, which is the one without the keypad there, the numpad. I got these ones with brown switches in them. Kailh Brown, not the guide around. It feels a lot like my Cherry MX Red actually, which is actually surprised. Doesn't have as much of a tactile feel as the Razer Black Widow Elite green clicky switches. I'll give you a close-up of the keyboard here. And I'll give you a little shot of the back of the box here as well. So it says Magic FN key, double FN, tap key, full RGB backlit, offline macro, and software control center. And I think this is from Hong Kong or something like that. And that is it for my review of the AN Pro 2. I know this was a short video and I didn't go in depth on the AN Pro 2, the keyboard itself. After a little while, after I can test out this keyboard for a little while, I'm going to be using it for the next probably week or so, and then I'll come out with a review of this keyboard. So make sure to subscribe. I'll be uploading a bunch of gaming content as well as some other reviews. I might be doing the HyperX Cloud 2 headset review. If you guys are interested in that, be sure you also subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video here. I have not posted in a while. I know a lot of you have not seen my channel before, but it'd be great if you tell your friends about this, because I have just started out. I am working hard to get more content for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click that like button, as well as if you like this video, you might also enjoy this video over here as well as this video right here, and I'll see you guys